Mika, you might be happy today where you are talking to your mother the way you want. You are not a man, fine. Showering love on your wife is also okay. I'm not disputing that. Yeah, because I believe she needs all the cares and love you can ever think of giving her. You see this music by Dolly Parton, go and play it. The time your mother was the time where your mama take carry you for womb. It born you, she no sleep for nights. Maybe for first 3 months, I believe say she no go sleep. Children no dey sleep for first 3 months. I think so. Even if say come let her leave you for Nigeria, come let her say come pick you up, carry you come Europe. She have done a great job. She have done what some mother could not do. There are some mother here now, this one that is just committing now. This one, I don't think we could do this country now. I forget the children for us. Even the children at the dairy grow, they do pocket picker for them. Yaba few boy work boy na go better yaba calculate man here few boy esoro show din agbe esoro show di under bridge here few boy ekpo wa esoro ring road no show me la ya hulia ring road di ya relocate ari show di odo ya gije na ya few boy ekpo. So if your mother could not leave you in such situation, she love and care for you so well. So and I believe where no matter what she did to you, I know mother can easily provoke children. Let me check the time first. I don't want to spend no time here. Okay, I have 10 minutes. When my mother was still alive, yesterday when I think about my mother, I was just crying in my place. My mood changed. Everybody was like, what is it? You are always making everybody laugh, smiling, laugh, because I'm so jovial. Everybody in my place of work, they love me so much. When I'm doing it today, they will be shy. Hey, if I not go work, or maybe I not day, they not day my shift because I want to do apart from afternoon work because I dey go school for morning. I don't feel go nights. So if they change them, if they close, they meet me. They will say they miss me today. Why? Because of the way I think they use it. They play for a break time. And they do funny things. But that yesterday, I called. So they could ask me, say, what did they happen? That's I just miss my mother. Because next month is I remember. I just miss my mother. When my mother was still alive, good morning, darling. When my mother was still alive, my siblings, do you know what they do? They will call me. My mother, they will say, yeah, go and call first lady. And now you know what am I going around with? Because they know I don't play with, I don't joke with my mother. What am I going around? I will be on phone. They don't, this time, they don't know say I don't pick. You with my what am I going around with? I'm anybody, and then you go to Babana. They say a woman or zone memoir dear webu. All time the background, did you what am I? Based on the only book we get, you want pleasant. I'll just laugh. You were, you first, you catty. We're safe. It was my walking. Oh, we mad there. Doctor, we may shake up Verna. EJ, last week we made a shake up because she's confused. She don't know what to tell me. You were, yeah, worry, Yari, go now. Really, instantly, you are transferring. Oh, we are after 1 week or 2 weeks. If you have a background, you tamamiri na what tamamiri na tamamiri rockba. You may have a tie, you know. He were, hell, a doctor, one day I called to mama saying, no, because I love you. It is say I know the year background. Mama could they laugh. That day when I just cash and say no, today I must open your chapter. I just caution. Even me I was made dead because my having what background. We were picking, and now we might pick. You know, mother is supreme. I love my mother so much to the extent, no matter what they do, it come to a stage. Good 6 months, I did not talk to my mother because of my siblings. Because they say that I love her so much. Anything she told me, I must pick on it. Even when I have issue with my siblings, once my mother talked to me, she was the only pillar that can suppress me, no matter how the anger is. Even if say I do like this, if I just see mama like this, I will just calm. So when I'm having issue with my siblings, when my mother just come in, you know, that voice, I will just start to cry. I will say, okay, yeah, on my ear when I go, in mother your turn, way. If not, oh, where's saving me? Where's saving me? My mother prayed for me before she died. Come to a stage, my mother said, "They already know so that they be making out when they firstly do it because when me it's when I get me they bite on me. Yeah, I have no problem. They will use my mother for me. So mother is supreme. No matter what, no matter what, no matter what, take your issue out of Sabbath's peace. Try to make peace with your mother. Even though you say you want to disown your mother, good and fine, it's okay. But stop the insults. We the Sabbath, we the Adolites, we will not like it. We will not like it. That is the truth. Your wife, madam, you are now a mother of 4. And I believe you have made children. Will you be happy as well if your son go into any relationship and tomorrow the same person you've cater for? You see the way you say you are taking care of your children now, the same way Mama Mikel did to Mikel. You suffer for them. You wake up in the morning, you take them to kindergarten. And I believe this time, we, the new generation, now we suffer for picking past the way they see them. Mostly the one we born for abroad. The children we born for abroad need more care, more heart. You cannot say a day, 2 days, you not take them go school. Who born you? You not go take them go school. When they go tear you letter 2 times. Could they worry you? So I believe saying that we, this new generation, I take care of children past whole generation. So all this suffer now, when you draw the suffer now, one woman can come out, one they insult you, or can they join your pikin, they insult you. And I believe you go sit down, cry. Well, you know why? Because kindergarten for here, 8 o'clock, you don't carry your children go school. So you think the time until they wake up. Our era where the bonus, you know the time when they carry us go school. Mama no they carry us go school. Because 4 o'clock, Mama don't go markets. She don't go slaughter. Then, at least 4:35, she don't, wake up, make Mama lie. Then, what carry us go school? What come pick us? This time, maybe my senior sister they'll come ready us, wear us shirts. And before Mama goes market, so maybe he go quicker, bath us, dress us down. We'll go sleep for parlor again. He don't dress us.